Let's have some fun this time. So all season we've done no burnouts. Burnout Boy hasn't been around, has he much?
Not really, no.
Keeps breaking his truck.
Had a couple import burnouts, but
yeah, you've done some good burnouts.
That doesn't really matter as much.
Mike has tried. Anyway, last season Black Betty broke. We haven't looked at the diff. We're not concerned about it. Chris figures maybe the positive is down. But anyway, it's been sitting here since what? October.
October last year, yeah.
I mean, look at this thing. There's cobwebs growing on it. She's covered in mud. Chris started doing some repairs on it underneath here. You can see we got the, he's got all the alternator bracket stuff in the back here because it, well, it broke. What do we got going on here? What have you done anyway? Holy God, it wasn't even lift up.
This is revision number 4, I think, for the alternator.
Oh yeah, no air cleaner on there. There it is. It's hanging there.
Got her sitting down.
Yeah, there's no belt though.
No.
Is it going to fly off? No.
No, it won't fly off. No water pump belt either. But
no water pump. We're not worried about overheating.
No, it's a small block Chev.
Exactly. It's a small block Chev. You ask why, there's why. So we'll, look at it. Let's see what we can do.
It's looking tough.
Isn't it? So I think for all the fans out there, we should just do multiple burnouts.
Oh, why not?
Yeah, why not? Okay. Look at it. Nice cobwebs growing.
We'll see if that stays after the burnout.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. It's not warm. It's not hot. We'll just go for it. What the hell? Or Black Betty.
Well, looks like she laid 2 after a little bit there. Still can't see them. Should we see if the school bus will do a burnout? We got one more here, I think. It might be.
Well, that was a good time, right?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh well. It's always a good time at all times. Betty's running like shit, but it did a burnout. Okay, guys. See ya.